video on my channel all about the bake. In today's video we are going to be making a chocolate crunch dessert. If you don't know what that is, then just keep watching and find out. I hope you enjoy it. And there you have it, there is your chocolate crunch dessert. If you did like this, please give this a like or a comment down below. If you also like other videos, you can also check out my channel or my blog allaboutthebake.wordpress.com, and everything will be there for you. I hope to see you in my next video, and I'll see you there. Bye!